with the Prime Minister's mantra to go vocal for local, people in Mumbai markets have opted for Indian products over Chinese ones. Now, the sale of Chinese lamps and lights have taken a hit in the markets this year round. This is a special report from Disha Shah.
Diwali is all about lights, but this festival is coming at a time of a COVID era where already the Indian government has banned a lot of Chinese products, and this is the market which is known to sell Chinese goods. So here we are before the festival to know what is the sentiment of the buyer here and of course the seller. What is it that the buyers are preferring the most? Is it the Chinese goods or the Indian goods?
Lohar Chawl is one of the busiest and crowded markets of South Mumbai, famous for its Chinese lights and lanterns. Now during festivals, it gets so crowded that there is hardly any space to stand. But things have changed due to the pandemic, and so have the celebrations of the people here. This time around, people have decided to go vocal for local and buy Indian goods instead of Chinese.
इंडियन ही अच्छा लगता है ज़्यादा, चाइनीज़ ज़्यादा अच्छा नहीं लगता, और अभी के इसमें तो इंडियन ही करना चाहिए.
चाइनीज़ का आज यूज़ करो, कल थ्रो करो, लेकिन इंडियन कैसा लॉन्ग लास्टिंग है, जितना है अपना यूज़ कर सकते हैं इसकी.
According to the shopkeepers here, most customers are demanding Indian light. This has affected the sales of Chinese products.
हर साल ये टाइम पे हम लोग बात नहीं कर पाते थे. ये टाइम पे 20% सेलिंग, 20 से 25% सेलिंग है, और चाइना से माल भी नहीं आया है जो हम इंडियन बनाते हैं. इंडियन का लॉकडाउन में माल नहीं मिलने की वजह से वो भी नहीं बन पाया है, तो ये टाइम माल भी शॉर्टेज है और कस्टमर भी नहीं है.
चाइनीज प्रोडक्ट्स आर नॉट रिलायबल ऑल्सो, और इंडियन सेंटिमेंट्स अभी चाइना इंडिया का इतने प्रॉब्लम चल रहे हैं, तो वर्ल्ड वाइड चाइना हैज डन समथिंग रॉन्ग, तो इन दैट वे.
On the other hand, there are a few buyers who are opting for Chinese goods for better variety.
प्रॉब्लम ये है कि इंडियन प्रोडक्ट में ये सब जो अभी मिल रहे हैं लाइट्स, वो इंडियन प्रोडक्ट में नहीं मिल रहे हैं. तो दिवाली तो मना नहीं है, तो कोशिश करते हैं कि जितने हो सके उतने इंडियन प्रोडक्ट लें, बट कुछ चीज़ें ऐसी होती है कि जो नहीं मिलती हो मजबूरी में लेनी पड़ रही है.
मैं चाहता हूँ कि जो स्मॉल केसेस वाले सब जो ये हैं बिजनेसमैन हैं, डेवलपर्स हैं, सब ये जो बनाते हैं, तो उनको थोड़ा आप कुछ सब्सिडी देंगे तो यहाँ पे आपको सब इंडियन माल दिखेगा.
The pandemic has changed many things this festive season. Chinese items such as lights, gift items, lamps and wall hangings among others saw a massive decline in sales because people are opting for Indian goods. With video journalist Sanjay Ranjit, Disha Shah for Mirror Now.
Well, despite the fact that this is an unprecedented Diwali given the pandemic situation, the essence of the festival is still intact. Markets are lit up with the trendy lights, lamps, candles, diyas and other decorative items. However, given Prime Minister Modi's call for Atmanirbhar Bharat and heightened tensions with China, the Made in India lights are more in demand than the conventional Chinese lights. Neha Ibale reports.
Well, it's that time of the year again. Yes, indeed, it is the time of Diwali, or the Festival of Lights, as it's popularly known. It's around this time that most of us love decorating our homes with those gorgeous diyas or with the fancy LED lights that we find today. Well, what we're really looking at today is, will the Chinese goods slay the dragon this Diwali? And more importantly, how has the pandemic really had an effect on these traders who, of course, depend on this? So we're going to find out all that and more in this special today.
Every year around Diwali, traders get busy decorating their shops with a variety of attractive lights to sell. This year too, the presence of Chinese lights in Bengaluru's market is conspicuous despite a freeze in Indo-China relations. Attractive string lights, fairy lights, chandeliers, lamps, garden lights and ball lights with the Made in China tag are a big highlight this festive season. Both traders and buyers prefer Chinese lights.
Actually, we are also not interested in selling Chinese goods, but there is no other option. No other option. Chinese are giving us so many options, thousands of options. Even we are not willing. Even customers are asking Indian goods, and there are also so many Indian goods coming, and we are selling it.
While every year traders are flooded with huge orders for all kinds of fancy lights, this time around the demand has taken a massive hit. The main reason is the scaling down of major festivals like Ugadi, Ganesh Chaturthi and Dasara, and postponing of marriages.
वैसे तो मैडम देखा जाए तो पहले से तो बहुत फ़र्क है, क्यों बोले तो हर साल का जो दिवाली का माहौल बहुत अलग रहता था और ये बार अपना ये कोविड के हिसाब से मेरे हिसाब से कम तो भी 80% डिफरेंस है, 80% कम है ये बार, बहुत डिफरेंस है और ये बार थोड़ा कम है। हर आदमी को खरीदने में थोड़ा सोच समझ के खरीद रहे हैं।
Mirror now visited Chickpet in Bengaluru to understand the sentiment. There are nearly 3,000 electronic and electrical shops in the area, and the traders accuse the government of completely ignoring them.
गवर्नमेंट सबको हेल्प किया, हमारा बिजनेसदार को कुछ नहीं हेल्प किया। आटा वाला को किया, रिक्शा वाला को किया, और क्या साड़ी बनने वाला को किया, सबको किया। हमारा बिजनेस वाला को सिर्फ भाड़ा भी कम नहीं किया, भाड़ा भी बनना हमारे को 4 महीना घर में बैठा कोई भी देने वाला भी नहीं।
While the government has increased import duty on lights to discourage imports from China, it's the traders who are facing the brunt.
While Prime Minister Modi's call for an Atmanirbhar India created a lot of noise, it seems like it will still take quite some time for it to actually resonate in the markets. Because what we've seen so far is that as much as the traders want to boycott the Chinese goods or want to start utilizing Indian goods more, they aren't really left with an option owing to a lot of factors such as the cost and many others as well. But having said that, it is the Festival of Lights, so here's wishing them and all our viewers a very happy and safe Diwali. In Bengaluru with video journalist Sunil, this is Neha Hebale for Mirror Now.